All right, quickly. This video is going to have two introductions, so forgive me. But I completely have already recorded this video a couple of times. And I forgot to mention that you can see circuit breaker halts on NASDAQtrader.com. Go there. There's literally current trading halts. Okay. So if you keep this as a part of what you're watching while you're actively trading, you can at least see what's halted. And then, as you will see in the rest of the video, if you have the right software, you can then see what the resumption price will be. So I just wanted to say that really quickly. I want to talk about circuit breaker halt. So there's not a day that goes by where people in the Weeble comments are not asking, why is the stock halted? What is going on? And it wasn't that long ago that I myself didn't know. I was caught in a circuit breaker halt and had no idea why trading had stopped. So essentially, what you have to know is that there are thresholds, or like if you put your statistics hat back on, you have upper and lower limits, right? For the stock market. And the whole idea is to prevent fraud. It's to prevent people from driving the stock price up or down through manipulation.
But they had a chance.
And so during the open market hours, that's 9:30 through 4 p.m., there are regulations. So if you're talking about the pre-market, 4 a.m. until 9:30, anything goes. The price can go up, down, however it wants to go. Typically, it's not an issue because there is no volatility. Well, there is volatility, but it's not as many brokers are open during that time. So the impact is a bit less when people are trying to manipulate markets. Same thing for 4 p.m. until 8 p.m. So, but during the regular market hours, there are thresholds. So there's something called limit up and limit down. If you look at the chart that we're looking at right now, LGVN, you can see that, this thing was trading. It opened at 32.40 or so, closed at 35.25, and then there was a halt. So this candle is representing a halt. You can see at 9:39, trading stopped, and then it resumed at 9:44. So typically it's about 5 minutes. It can be 10 minutes. It could be 15 minutes. It could be an hour. It truly depends upon what the situation is. But if it's to try to bring balance to the market, it's typically 5 minutes or so. And there are different ranges based upon the price of the stock. So, less than $3, it can move about 5%. There are some exceptions to that, but I won't get into that. And then and that's 5% between 9:30 and 3:35 p.m. Between 3:35 p.m. and 4 p.m., it can move 10%. Now, there's situations in which instead of 5%, it could be 10% between 9:30 and 3:35, doubling between 3:35 and 4 p.m. And there are situations in which it could be as much as 40% price variation up or down, and like where the mean moving price within the last 5 minutes has moved up or down, let's say it's after 3:35 p.m. So between 3:35 and 4 p.m., there are circumstances in which 40% is acceptable. It truly depends upon the stock, the tier of stock. You got tier 1, you got tier 2. And really, I want to say, I don't want to get too in detail about that, because the bottom line is, who has time to look and know the tier of the stock, and then to also know what it opened at. The only thing that you know is that either it's halted or you want to know where it's going to halt, up or down. And then certainly you'd like to know, if you're caught in a halt, what the anticipated open price will be. The best thing that you could do is get a broker that provides that information. And it's typically going to be like a direct access market broker. So Lightspeed, uh, DOS Trader Pro is a platform in which this information is provided. Interactive brokers, even though they absolutely suck. I mean, maybe not them so much as a broker, but certainly their TWS software that you use typically to access them as a broker absolutely sucks. You have to be out of your mind to use it. But it does tell you the limit up, limit down. Let me show you guys for DOS Trader Pro. Shoot, I have a video. Let me find it. Okay, so here you can clearly see LD is limit down. So that's as far down as the stock trade. So, you can see it's trading about $5.51 or so. Limit down is $3.35. Limit up is $7.82. And anyway, so the bottom line is DOS Trader Pro is fantastic. It's probably, if you're trading in the stock market, it's probably the best $150 you're going to spend a month, period. It just is. I can't say enough about it. So at the end of the day, you should just go ahead, get yourself a broker or some software that tells you what the price is, and also tells you what the resumption price is. So I hope that this helps. Please do give the video a thumbs up. Have a fantastic night and happy trading.